Hey friends, if you encounter the runtime error with a specific program on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or restart and then click on restart. The second solution is to update the program. Now, how do we update a program? If it has been installed from the Microsoft Store, click on Microsoft Store, go to library and then click on get updates. But if this program is not downloaded from the Microsoft Store, then you will have to contact the manufacturer of the program, or you can check through the settings. The next solution is to reset and repair the program. Now let's say that the program is WhatsApp, okay, or let's say that the program is something else. Let's say that it is 7-zip, okay. So we can reset it. I'll give you a better method. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to apps, installed apps, and if you find the program here, okay, then let me find some good program for you. Let's say it's Microsoft Teams. Click on advanced options, scroll down, terminate the process, click on repair, then click on reset and then on reset once again. Then the next solution is obviously to reinstall the program, but before that we can try an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to reinstall the program. Let's say that the program is WhatsApp. Right click on it, select uninstall and then click on uninstall once again to remove WhatsApp from your system. Then open the Microsoft Store, go to home, search for WhatsApp, hit enter and then click on WhatsApp and then click on install here when you find the install button. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.